It's like I was at Randazzo's one day. They had this tuna steaks in the thing, and I bought two of them. I get home, I cook them, I take one bite. I'm like, this isn't fresh.
Guys, very nice here. See? Ang ganda dito, guys.
My dad was always sad. He said he didn't want to die.
So ano pala to, guys? Reunion ng mga libreng cat. Ganda, oh. Yeah, look at Honey's family. Woo, lots of drinks. Ayan. Ayan pala ang lutuan, guys. Oh, lutuan. Vlogging! Yay!
How are you?
Good. Say hi to my vlog. I like your hair. I like your dress. I like your dress, pretty. I love it.
Vintage 70s.
Nice. I love it.
It's been blowing open on a regular basis. So.
Yeah, I love it. I'm like, oh, that's Diane, honey.
I'm so glad you guys are here.
Oh, yeah. Anytime. As long as we have a time, why not?
Well, you know, I know with his new job, I didn't know whether there'd be issues coming on in the summer. But...
Nice. I love the way this one gathering. This is perfect. I love it. Yeah. This is what we have in Philippines.
Yeah?
Yeah. Bonding. Yeah. Talking, you know. Sharing with your life. Hello.
Hi.
Ayan, yan ang lutuan, guys. Oh.